What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to redirect a person to a specific page, post or content of your site after a form submission. Okay, so imagine that a user of your site completed or fulfilled a form, a contact form or a email submission form to unlock access to an ebook or something like this, and you would like to, after clicking in submit, contact, send, the user be redirected to this content page, for example, or to a thank you page or back to home page. Okay, how to do this is what you're gonna learn in this video for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in our choose internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is log into our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins, and click on Add New. Okay. For this guide, I'm gonna be using the WPForms. Okay, that is, in my opinion, one of the top contact form WordPress plugins, okay, the form builders. But if you are using Ninja Forms, Contact Form 7 or any other contact form, let me know into the comments so I can create a video specifically for these other plugins. So after install now, click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins welcome page. Here is the page where you can start setting the plugin up. Okay, but let's go to this option right here, create your first form. Welcome to the form builder. Let's go. And right here we can start with a template. Okay, we have a blank form or a simple contact form. We have a newsletter contact form and other ones that is really useful. Okay, and if you want other forms, you can go to the pro version, but I would like to keep all for free and use just the simple contact form. Of course, you can customize your contact form in the way that you want. No need to worry, okay? So let's start with this contact form. And after doing the change that we need right here, we're gonna move to the left sidebar of menus, move to settings. From the left sidebar of menus, we have setup, fields, and settings. And on settings, we have an option right here called confirmations. Okay, go right here and confirmation type. We have message, show page, or go to URL, redirect. I would like to go to a URL, redirect. So if a person complete the form, fulfill the form, and click into the send button, you're gonna be redirected to any page URL that you want. For example, imagine that I would like that this person to be redirected to the visualmodo.com blog page. Okay, it's just one example. You're gonna click right here and save the changes. Okay, so click right here on save. We already have a tutorial on our YouTube channel explaining how to install WPForms, how to set it up, how to apply other security layers into your contact forms, but for this is all you have to do. Okay, simple as it is. And it is. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just a final note, to apply this contact form on your page, you can go to embed right here. You can select an existing page, select some page to apply your form, or simply click on embed, create a new page, enter the page name. It can be contact us, and let's go. The WordPress is gonna automatically embed the contact form into this page, and you're gonna be able to display it on your page. And of course, customize the page in the way that you want. Okay, so here is my contact form into a page. All I have to do is view the page and apply this to my menu. But it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme to install any plugin that you want and customize your site in the way that you want. Or growth.net platform with 3 Ws, in order to submit your site for receiving guest posts and publishing guest posts for free. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your WordPress website, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock access to our full templates library of hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click and make your site ready from the beginning. for every single business style, okay? Moreover, with support, icons, templates, pro assets, widgets, and many more pro features. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!